Wajackoya the fifth, very nice.
Notice that he's gaining notoriety and prominence.
The Wajackoya
pockets of support in different parts of every other country, apart from the two regions that I have mentioned. But even in those regions, there is something that I have noticed. This gentleman called Wajackoya, you know, and I use Kisumu and Kericho as an example because they are the two counties I frequent most. I use Kisumu on my way home, and Kericho is my home, so I know the two counties better than any other part of the country. There are areas of that county where, especially what you normally refer to as the base, where young people sit and those people who enjoy some of the things that Wajackoya is promising. I have noticed that he's gaining notoriety and prominence.
Yeah, look at him
in those.
Look at him blowing that out here.
Actually, if you go, because I normally drive through Kondele sometimes when there's traffic in town, I have seen his posters actually prominently disposed, and even in my own county of Kericho, there are certain corners where many of these young people hang out. And many of them have his posters and a big banner saying freedom is coming. You know?
But Wajackoya also seemed to be a very big threat, according to what Pandits are saying, to the Hustler Nation. Because he's captured. And we can see here Deputy President William Ruto and Right Honorable Raila Odinga looking on.
You can see they are both shocked.
The small rat is asking, who's stopping the reggae now?
Yeah. Because you can see both actually are shocked. And I have told you, do you know that, for example, if this Wajackoya pushes hard enough and scores anywhere upwards of 500,000, he can easily force a runoff.
He can actually be the person to force a runoff.
Yes, the way we are dismissing him and joking about, but he's making some funny promises to this percentage that you're talking about that is not so significant. The youth,
yes.
But it's not only youth, even middle class. You know, people are just excited about the promise on legalizing weed. But you're forgetting that he has also promised that something that is very appealing to the middle class. That once you will work only 4 days a week, so weekend will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's very appealing to the middle class. And also he has promised that instead of monthly payment of salaries, we will now move back to the days of wages, where you're paid every 14 days. And people are excited about such things. So don't be too dismissive of him. He can
and the most important is going to clear the debt.
Thank you.
by selling the weed.
But that particular debate about the weed, I think we need to dedicate another day for it, because many of the African countries as well, even we have Rwanda here, has dedicated a huge acreage, you know, for the planting of cannabis. South Africa.
He must be the most genius I've ever seen in my life.